Hi Rich. Hi Elena.
Hi.
Hi, I'm Luca, I'm your travel guide for today. We ride the legend. The Vecchia Ferrovia is very wonderful, a wonderful landscape, and you'll see. Andiamo.
Andiamo.
The name of the track, or the trail of today was La Ferrovia. That means the railway of the train. Yes, it goes from Spoleto to Norcia.
There's tunnels and bridges because there's a lot of ravines and small mountains that we had to pass through. It's pretty crazy to think of back then how they built all these bridges and tunnels through all this interesting terrain that's very undulating. This region is great. It's everything I imagined and more. It's great food, way more mountainous than I had imagined. A lot of down-to-earth, outdoorsy people living in the land. Never really heard much about the wine or the actual cuisine, but it's phenomenal. I would definitely recommend someone come here over other popular areas in Italy because it's a little less known, but I think that makes it more charming.
Now we are at the start of our enduro stage. Now this is a very hard downhill trail. Bye.
Go.
See you.
When you're in Europe and Italy particularly, it's pretty cool to go on a mountain bike ride that you're not focused on the rocks and the stones and the technical riding the whole time. You're looking around and seeing beautiful scenery and thinking about the past and what happened and took place in these areas. And always you end with a fantastic lunch.